Hello, YouTube. This is J Coder back with another stream, and I discovered that they are adding some interesting features to Android Studio, and I wanted to do this stream to go over a video showcasing these new features. And today we're switching it up from our HTML tutorials to go over something from Android today. And if you like this kind of thing, like this video, and subscribe to the channel. Without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so I found this video on the Android developer website showcasing what they have added to Android Studio Ladybug. Let's check it out.
Today, we are thrilled to announce the stable release of Android Studio Ladybug Feature Drop version 2024.2.2. Android Studio helps you develop high-quality applications with the help of Gemini. Ladybug Feature Drop comes with 5 new Gemini and Android Studio features. Let's delve into each of these in detail. Imagine having an AI-powered coding companion right at your fingertips. With Gemini Code Transforms, that's a reality. Simply right-click on your code or use the keyboard shortcut to bring up the Gemini prompt. Describe the changes you want to make, and Gemini will suggest code improvements. Whether you need to simplify complex code, optimize performance, or even generate entirely new functions, Gemini has you covered. See a suggestion you like but want to tweak it a bit? No problem, use the Refine button to tell Gemini what you'd like to change, and then merge the suggestions you'd like. It's like having a developer working alongside you, helping you write better code faster. We all know how difficult naming can be. These next 2 Gemini features make it easier. With Rename, Gemini will use surrounding context to suggest identifier names for variables, methods, classes, and more. And you'll know that they're generated with Gemini because they'll have the Gemini logo. Rethink helps you with larger refactoring tasks. Right-click on a variable or a method, and Gemini will suggest contextually relevant variable names. And you can select which variables you'd like renamed, press OK, and apply changes. Gemini can now help you write better commit messages. When you commit your code, Gemini analyzes your code changes and suggests a detailed commit message that you can edit before submitting. Lastly, Gemini makes documenting your code a breeze. Select a code snippet, right-click, and choose Gemini Document Function. Gemini will generate documentation that you can then refine before accepting. Now that we've covered how Gemini can accelerate your development process, let's shift gears and explore some powerful new debugging tools. We've added animation preview support to help you visualize and debug Wear OS styles. Now you can see your animations in real time, control playback, and inspect key properties. You can even modify your code and instantly see the results. This tool helps streamline your development process so you can create high-quality Wear OS experiences. Debugging and testing health and fitness apps was hard without sensor simulation. With Wear Health Services, you can simulate activity data like heart rate, distance, and speed directly in the emulator. This removes the need for physical devices or, in certain cases, leaving your desk to go on a run to test Wear OS app behavior. Debugging is essential, but optimization is what truly unlocks your app's full potential. Let's dive into the final set of features designed to help you deliver truly exceptional user experiences. App Links Assistant simplifies the process of implementing app links by serving JSON syntax that resolves broken deep links for your app. You can review the JSON file and then upload it to your website. This eliminates the manual creation of the JSON file and allows you to compare existing JSON files with newly generated ones to easily identify any discrepancies. Android Studio now provides enhanced lint warnings for public SDKs from the Google Play SDK Index and Play Developer Console, helping you identify and address potential issues before you submit them for review. These warnings alert you if an SDK is outdated, violates Google Play policies, or has known security vulnerabilities. Furthermore, Android Studio provides helpful quick fixes and recommended version ranges whenever possible, making it easier to update your dependencies and keep your app more secure and compliant. Ladybug Feature Drop ships with the IntelliJ Platform 2024.2, which added many new features such as a more intuitive full-line code completion suggestion, a preview in the Search Everywhere dialog, and improved log management for the Java and Kotlin programming languages. Beyond new features, we continue to improve the overall quality and stability of Android Studio. In fact, the Android Studio team addressed over 770 bugs during the Ladybug Feature Drop development cycle. And that's a wrap for all the new updates in Android Studio Ladybug Feature Drop. If you haven't already, now is the time for you to download this latest version and to incorporate the new features into your workflow. As always, we appreciate any feedback on the things you like, any bugs you discover, or any new features you would like to see in the future versions of Android Studio. Remember to like and subscribe and share with a fellow Android app developer. See you next time.
All right, and yeah, so I encourage you all, the Android developers, to try that out, and it's amazing how they are putting in Gemini AI to help you to be able to code your applications faster. So, yeah, it looks like an interesting thing. Well, if you like this kind of thing, comment on this video, subscribe to this channel, and as always, stay coding. Peace.